Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making something that I pretty much made up on my own, but it is one of my go-to dishes that I started eating a lot lately. It's like a lamb chop pasta. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my lamb chop pasta. So we're going to start off by chopping our lamb chops into pieces. So I've chopped up the lamb chops. Okay, so now I'm going to start seasoning my lamb chops. So I'm just going to put some garlic in the bowl. Some barbecue seasoning, paprika, a little bit of my Creole salt, okay. So don't worry, for the people that are like, oh, she didn't wash her hands, I did wash my hands, okay? Because I read the comments, I see it. It's called editing, baby. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our lamb chop. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil in my water. Okay, so I added some olive oil, and then once the olive oil is nice and warm, I'm gonna add my onions. I have my lamb chops there. Okay. I'm going to add some tomato paste and tomato sauce. Add just a little bit of water. And add some salt, thyme, in there. Okay, this looks and smells so good. I did that. I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys try this recipe. It's easy, tasty. On a lazy day, I'll cook it, make it quick within 20 minutes, and you have your lamb chop pasta. Thank you guys for tuning. I hope you like, subscribe, and share, and try this recipe. You may like it. I hope you have a blessed week.